What's up, Kebab Father family? We're back with another video, guys, and today we're going to be doing some instant curry. This is by a company called Gilco, and this is the Lee instant curry times 30. This is probably one of the hottest instant curries that you can probably buy in Japan. And actually, there are a lot of brands in Japan that make instant curry. It's a little bit different from kind of like the style that we get back home in the UK, but there are specific brands that kind of do cater towards the more kind of authentic curry. This is Lee. It's quite a popular brand out in Japan, and I have tried these before and they are pretty decent. I mean, yeah, it's quick and easy. All you have to do is either put it in the microwave or put it in boiling water. It comes in like a metallic sachet of some sort. And obviously I can't be arsed making naan breads, so just bought some instant naans. I might put some cheese on top of this, some melted cheese, might add some flavour to it. And without further ado, guys, let's crack on with the review. Kebab Father, the boss man, is back. So what's up, guys? This is the review. Namaste. As you can see, that's the instant curry there. You've got a few bits of chicken in there. We've obviously got the cheese naans that look really nice. The smell of this is absolutely amazing. It does look really thick. There's loads of spices in here. Apparently this is 30 times, so we go in. Yeah, it's really thick. It's really smooth. I can really taste coriander in there. Wow. Anyway, let's get these naans in. In terms of curry, there's not many, I would say, authentic restaurants in Japan. They're always Nepali, and they all seem to have the same stuff. These naans are fire, man. I was totally converted when I went to Everest kebab shop, because they also do curry. Getting a kebab in a naan, it was mind-blowing. Oh, it's a bit, yeah, the heat's coming through. It's pretty hot for a Japanese one. On my other channel, Tokyo Model Detective, I reviewed many of these curry ones. Some are good, some are bad, but the ones that I had were actually really decent. But there's so many that I haven't tried, so we might get into a series of doing these curries. Yeah, this is really aromatic. The spices, the blend, and it's a bit porky. It kind of, if you're from the UK, this might kind of remind you of curry sauce from the fish and chip shop. I do kind of miss chip shop curry. So back in my hometown in the UK, the curry sauce is really good, actually. I know some chip shops use different ingredients, different kind of products. Yeah. But yeah, chips from a fish and chip shop in the UK with curry sauce is the ultimate. I didn't really know this. By the way, on your iWatch, for all you Apple users, you can remote start the iPhone on camera and you can watch it. I didn't know that. That's crazy. So in the chat, in the comments, what curry do you like? Do you like curry? Wow, yeah. It's a little bit pokey, man. I'm not gonna lie. But Japanese curry tends to be a bit thick in general. My friend Ben, if you're watching, he's left Japan. Oh, Ben, if you're watching this video, let me know which Indian restaurant you went to, because I think it South Indian, like a buffet thing. Somewhere in Tokyo. They look pretty decent. Oh man. Whew. Yeah, man. Just curry and naan. Probably the best combinations in the world for food, in my opinion. I know some people don't like curry, but man, whilst we're on the subject, big shout out to Jay, Esco, JP. Yeah, obviously I watch a lot of food blogs. And obviously India being like the capital of the world curry. There's so many foods that I'd like to try out there, man. But it's just getting deli belly, man. I'm getting sick. I don't know if I can cope with that very well. What? Man, this is spicy. Because generally in Japan, when they say something's spicy, it's not spicy for me. But this is, it's a bit pokey. But yeah, like I said, I'll be doing many more of these curry and naan reviews. So this is Lee times 30 by a Gilco or Grico. But there's many others. There's at least 30 different types at my local supermarket. And JP, if you're watching, man, our friend, after a long absence, has started to make kebab videos again. It's an inside kebab father intel. Many of you guys won't know, because I know my rival will be watching this. You know who you are. But anyway, it's funny that, you know, in the food game, there's always rivals, right? Like there's Matt and Danny. It's kind of funny to see. Oh man, this is insanely spicy. Not crazy spicy, but I'm really surprised on how good this is. Because I can just taste like a lot of spice in there, like coriander, cumin. If it was slightly runnier and you plop this in front of me, I'd never tell the difference, man. If it was Japanese or, you know, Indian. Seriously. Because the spices coming out of that, man, are intense. But out of all the curry ones that I've tried, this is far the most spices that I've eaten. Obviously, you know, it's not going to ever really compare to like a real Indian authentic curry, but in terms of like cost wise, I think that cost me like about 300 yen. Naans maybe another 400, whatever. Under 1,000 yen. I've got 2 naans left. You could also add some rice to this, Japanese rice, some salad. Very affordable meal. And if you're single and young in Japan, you know, these kind of like set meals takes 3 minutes to prepare. You're in and out, man. But yeah, I highly recommend that Lee 30 times curry. It's just delicious. It's smooth. The spices are hit hard. And that's the review, guys. And as you can see, I've got the Doner Kebab t-shirt today. I am thinking about doing a food review tonight somewhere, but I haven't decided yet. My family come back, so I don't know. Let's watch this space, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. There will be a video tomorrow as well. And JP, aka the Bear, wants me to do more Japanese bento reviews, and that will be definitely coming in this week, guys. Because like I said, I'm off work, so there'll be a review, there'll be a video upload every single day. Big shout out to all the crew out there in the world. One love, man, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.